And one more stop off here at Neoga Lake, which is part of the ghost town of Neoga. This place actually had a sawmill set up one time because it was a turpentine camp. And here's some slight remains that are still here of bricks. Here's an interesting brick I've never seen. It almost said, it looks like it has an N-I-X, or I guess it could be the other way around. Never seen a brick with an X. Don't know that one. But bricks are all stabbed in the ground. Thankfully, it looks like the wild boars churned everything up. So if there's anything laying around that's old, you would see it on the top. But mainly just old pieces of brick from long ago down in here. Still walking around here, and all I keep seeing little crumbles of the past, little bricks. Ooh, what's this? Oh, some kind of old metal. Old stuff. Yeah, old beer can. Budweiser. I bet people used to party out here back in the 60s, you know? Probably a cool spot. Go fishing. Drink some beers. Good old days. Yeah, here made it out to opening. So you can see Neoga Lake. And here it is. A lot of people got baptized in this lake long ago. I've read a lot of stories. I try to do as much research as I possibly can because it's just so fascinating to me. This area, all the areas along the railroad that once were, you know. And to all the families or anybody that's been baptized here or has been to this lake long ago, this is pretty much for you. If you can't make it out to this destination, just wanted to show this area once again, because a lot of people love this area and respect it and cherish it of their memories. Neoga Lake. There's once a sawmill here. I'm not sure around the lake where it sat. Over there is a bank that goes up and it's like white sand. It's open. That could have been the area it sat. Or possibly over here, because there's a lot of weird spots that were cut out for like water drainage. And plus tons of bricks over here, so possibly could have sat here. Hard to say. There's not a ton of information and history on it. So that's why I like to video a lot of things to show what was here, you know, to future people moving here or people that just enjoyed this spot long ago. That there's a lot of history in Flagler County. It was very, very thick. There was a lot, and it's really cool. And the bricks, man, they just keep going and going. Oh, here's one that actually has words again. I rubbed that one off. Oh, okay. So now I know what the X was on the other brick, and you can see it says Fio. It said the end of it would have been with the X, Phoenix. So Phoenix. Never seen those bricks before, but they're scattered everywhere here. All right, this is crazy. I just turned off the road a little bit off the lake there. Saw this raised ground area. There's freaking bricks everywhere. Look, there's piles of bricks. And that's just this whole hill I'm standing on. It's just brick. Bricks and bricks. I think this could have been where the sawmill actually sat. The way the bricks so many of them. And then these are areas I've never even seen before out here. So it's really cool to explore a little deeper. Look at this. Look, I'm in something. Look at all the bricks. So either this was a sawmill, the area it sat. Oh, there's stuff all over the place over there, like structure. This is either where the sawmill sat, or it was just where they dumped all their bricks from long ago. Because it's all just thick, 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 thick bricks. Look at that, it's a wall. There's a brick wall. Man, and it just goes up this hill. Whoa, that's made out of brick and concrete, kind of like a structure, the base of a structure. I'm gonna climb through all this crap just so I can see it. Wow. I don't know if you could see that corner, this whole chunk right here. This whole chunk. This solid brick. It was like the base of something sat on it. You can see it right here. This whole corner, this whole area right here, this is all solid. Ooh, goes all the way. Wow, this was something in here, man. This is fascinating. These old metal tubing. Wow. Probably missing something really awesome out here in these woods. But man, this fascinates me. This kind of stuff. Let's crawl. Let's crawl through the woods. Yeah. Piece of old metal. Thick steel right there, man. Oh, I'm like really kind of deep in the woods a little. Nowhere to go. I don't like rubbing those palm trees. Ew. Wow, this is cool. Some more remains of the past. Brick concrete mixture. Wow. It's crazy. Things are just forgotten about in the woods. Just bricks scattered everywhere. Yeah. Ooh, spider web. Oh, that's a big spider. And I'm all wrapped up in it and I'm caught in some branches. Ah, get it off me. Whoa. I am wrapped up in spider webs. Yeah. Every way I turned, I was into a different one. Not seeing anything else. More metal leaning against a tree right here.
Yeah, where?
Look at that.
Maybe here?
Man. Some bottles down here. Oh no, guys. I don't see a green tint to it though. Oh. It's a Coke. But it's a clear Coke. Dang. That's cool though. Cool Cokes. Couple bottles all around. Probably floated up out of the lake. No deposit. Neat top on that one. Old beer. Different location now. Out over Neoga Lake.